One of the most common questions we get is, after introducing solid, my baby is reducing weight or not gaining weight at all. There are three reasons. One is your baby is adjusting from breast milk or formula milk to solid foods now. So his digestive system takes some time to adapt. So a month or so it would look like that, and later gradually they will adapt well. Second thing is, your baby is growing now. It is not just the child which is in one place. He is learning to move ahead by crawling, and he's also exploring much around himself. So his physical and mental energy both is being utilized, and hence you may observe not much of a weight gain which used to happen in the first 6 months. Third and the most important reasons, once we start solid, we assume that baby is going to magically gain weight and we stop giving breast milk or formula milk. No, until a year, breast milk is the main food and solid is only complementary food. So this is what you see everywhere. Even in big brand food boxes, solid food is to be a complementary food and breast milk remains the priority. So remember all these things and do let me know if you like this video.